Swagbucks gives you a wide mix of earning options like surveys, offers, and cashback, while KashKick focuses more on straightforward paid tasks and offers inside a simpler interface. By the end, you'll know which app fits your habits better so you don't waste time switching between platforms that don't match how you like to earn. Swagbucks is built like a full reward hub. You can take surveys, complete partner offers, browse cashback deals, and sometimes earn from small online activities like watching ads. The main advantage is variety. You are rarely stuck with just one type of task, but that also means you spend more time choosing what to do. KashKick is more streamlined. It removes most of the extra layers and focuses mainly on paid offers and surveys. The layout is simpler, and the earning path is more direct. You open the app, pick a task, and complete it without much browsing around. The real difference shows up in how you use your time. Swagbucks spreads your attention across multiple categories, which can help if you like switching tasks, but can also lead to time spent exploring instead of earning. KashKick reduces that friction by keeping everything in one clear list of opportunities. Another difference is consistency. Swagbucks can feel inconsistent because the availability of higher value tasks changes depending on your account and region. KashKick feels more stable because it sticks to a narrower set of offers, even if there are fewer overall options. Both apps are designed for small side rewards, not full income replacement. The value comes from using them during downtime, not as a primary earning method. If you prefer having multiple ways to earn in one place, Swagbucks makes more sense. If you prefer a simple list of tasks without distractions, KashKick feels easier to stick with. The easiest way to choose is to think about attention style. If you like browsing options and switching between activities, Swagbucks fits better. If you like opening an app, picking one task, and finishing it quickly, KashKick is the cleaner option. Swagbucks is broader and more flexible. KashKick is simpler and more direct. The better choice depends on whether you value variety or speed of decision-making. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear comparisons of earning apps inside Income Tools.